How often should you be cleaning the wheels on your car? It can be tough to know, especially if you're new to car care. Realistically, you should clean your wheels whenever you wash your car. If your car is dirty enough that it needs washing, the wheels are dirty also. Here's why you should clean your wheels at the same time you wash your car. By cleaning your wheels often, you avoid a heavy buildup of both traffic film and brake dust. By avoiding a heavy buildup, you'll need less aggressive brushes and less aggressive chemicals to get your wheels clean. Plus, it doesn't make sense to just wash the wheels and not wash the car. You might as well do both at the same time. By washing the wheels first, you avoid standing water on your car. What I mean by this is when you wash your car and rinse it, you've got standing water on it. Now, if you get down and start cleaning the wheels and the tires, that water could actually dry and that could lead to water spots. So it's a safer option to wash wheels and tires first and then go to the top and work your way down and around washing the car. The second reason to wash wheels and tires first before washing the entire vehicle is because sometimes when you're washing wheel and tires, you get some overspray from the wheel and tire cleaning process onto nearby adjacent panels, which then you gotta rewash and rinse. If you clean the wheels and tires first and you get some overspray onto nearby adjacent panels, kind of doesn't matter because you'll get that off when you do actually wash the car and rinse it off. And the third reason to wash wheels and tires first and then wash the rest of the car is through that whole process, you'll have multiple opportunities to re-rinse the wheel and tire. And this is important because after you clean the wheel thoroughly and you rinse it, gravity takes over and a lot of times you'll have wheel cleaner and the dirt you removed in areas that you can't really flush out, and they will drip down via gravity. They'll pool to lower areas and you'll have a chance to re-rinse them as you're rinsing the car. Now that you know how often to clean your wheels and which order to clean them before washing the car, visit our decision guide to dial in your wheel cleaning process.